Instant Courier Rates, your urgent package delivery solution provider. Peak delivery times can make or break a business. Whether it's the holiday rush, urgent medical shipments, or high-demand manufacturing parts, delays aren't just frustrating, they're costly. So how do you keep deliveries on time every time? Late deliveries lead to lost revenue, damaged customer trust, and operational bottlenecks. But with the right strategy and technology, you can streamline your logistics and minimize delays even during the busiest seasons. Step 1. Smart Route Optimization. Traffic congestion and inefficient routing are top culprits of delivery slowdowns. Our AI-powered route planning ensures drivers take the most efficient path, saving time and fuel. Step 2. Real-time tracking and automated alerts. Customers expect instant updates. Our SaaS solution provides real-time tracking and automated notifications, reducing uncertainty and keeping clients informed every step of the way. Step 3. Dynamic scheduling and load balancing. Peak times mean an influx of deliveries. Our system dynamically adjusts schedules and allocates resources, ensuring drivers aren't overloaded and deliveries stay on track. Step 4. Seamless carrier coordination. Working with multiple couriers? Our platform integrates carrier networks, ensuring you always have backup options when demand spikes. Step 5. Data-driven decision-making. With advanced analytics, you can identify bottlenecks before they become problems and fine-tune operations for even better performance. Minimizing delivery delays isn't just possible, it's essential. With our SaaS courier management solution, you gain speed, efficiency, and reliability. Want to see how it works? Click the link below for a free demo and start delivering smarter today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool logistics information.